Hey, how's it going, guys? So, this is the part 2 of WonderWall tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering that trickier part that I mentioned in the first part of the tutorial, which I will put it here if you want to check it out. So, yeah, let's go. So, again, we have a capo on the 2nd fret. Same thing, you're putting those 2 fingers on the 3rd fret, 2nd and 1st string, and then, like I said, we're only moving our index and the middle finger. That's how easy it is. So that tricky part is this. So we are actually gonna cover 2 new chords, but they're so close to each other. So I mean, they're so close with the other chords. It's just, again, just moving those 2 fingers. So the first chord is it's like C, variation of C, where we put our middle finger on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. So it goes here, and then that index is going on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. So it should sound like this. Again, C, putting that on the 5th string and the 4th string here. The second chord that we're gonna learn is the F chord. I mean the variation of F chord. So in this chord, we are taking our index finger and then placing it on the 2nd fret of the top string, and that middle finger goes on the 3rd string on the 2nd string on the same string. So those both fingers are in the same fret. Index goes on top and goes on the top string, and that middle finger goes on the 3rd string, which sounds like this. So C and F goes like this. Those are the 2 chords that we're gonna learn. We're gonna apply to that tricky part actually. So here goes the tricky part. So tricky part goes, it's this. So it's normal C, and then it goes to D thing that we have covered in the last video, where we put only our middle finger on the 3rd string, and it goes back to EM. So we are repeating this twice. So it's so that C, 1 finger on the 3rd string, and then EM. We are repeating that order for twice. So I will also put it here. And then after that, we are actually moving on the trickiest part of the song, which has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chords in the same row. So it's like the order is this. So it's, again, they'll be starting off with the C, going on the 1 finger thing on the 3rd string, which is like D, but it's like easier for you to understand. So here it is same with the first row. So it's and then it goes to G, and so it's that was like one row. So that row is this. So it's G. It start like the, okay, so C, D, and then it goes G, F, and then E, M, and then G back. So it's G, okay, C, C, D, G, F, E, M, G. So it's G, starting off with the C, D, G, F, E, M, G, and then it continues with this chord, which I covered in the last video. You take your middle and the index finger and then placing it on the fourth and the third string, which is A, variation of A, and you're repeating that twice. So all from the beginning. And then it repeats the same thing that I covered in the first video. So it's one more time, last time. And then that part is C, C, D, G, F, E, M, G, A, twice. And then it goes like, which I covered in the first video already. So that's basically it. I will put the chords, the order, in the description, or I will put it here. You can just stop the video and look at also from the here. That's about it. And finally, at the end, if you watch those part 1 and part 2, you'll be able to actually play the WonderWall by Oasis, and hopefully that helped you out. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers. Stay safe.